if we try to do things and we design it in the same way that we have our schooling system at the moment, that schooling system was designed to produce people for the industrial workforce. That's now changing to a digital economy. And what has to happen is we have to change the way that we educate to educate people for a new world that we're going into. And that is not an industrial workforce. The industrial workforce created people in a very linear fashion, in a very mechanistic fashion. Essentially, we created students as part of an assembly line going to a final product to be able to enter the world. Now what we need to do is take that role of AI to be able to be a knowledge base, to be able to be a tutor, to be able to be access to information. But the role of teachers doesn't disappear. That's where we start to educate people on the value that we need for the future, the creative skills, the critical thinking, the empathy, things that humans do well. We can't, technology is better than people do. So humans need a human better than technology, and that's where I see the role of teachers being.